In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute a status on Facebook. You've probably come across someone's status and you no longer want to see those status again. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to mute this status from your Facebook account timeline. It's pretty simple and easy. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the status that you want to mute. In this case, I'm going to tap on this. So while the status is showing, I'll proceed to tap on this three dots on the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. I have the option to share this story or mute it. So I'll proceed to tap on mute. So I'll be prompted whether I want to mute for 24 hours, for 1 week, or until I unmute. So whichever option that best suits your case, you can proceed to toggle it on. After which you can proceed to tap on mute. Congratulations, you have successfully muted this status from your Facebook account. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.